Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad for business. First, you need to understand your market and who you are selling to. Next, focus on sourcing quality ingredients in bulk to manage costs effectively. Developing a unique and consistent recipe is crucial for standing out. Finally, always prioritize strict food safety and hygiene to protect your customers and your business. Now, let's talk about the recipe. Cook your elbow macaroni until it's tender yet firm, or al dente, to avoid a mushy texture. Create a creamy dressing that balances sweetness with a tangy kick, using ingredients like mayonnaise, mustard, and vinegar. Finely chop fresh vegetables such as celery, bell peppers, and onions for consistent texture and flavor. Gently combine all ingredients to keep the macaroni intact and well-coated. Scaling up requires careful attention to detail. Always use standardized measurements for each batch to ensure consistent taste and texture. Consider investing in commercial-grade mixing equipment for efficient large-scale production. Regular taste tests are essential to maintain your signature flavor profile. Also, continuously monitor the quality and freshness of your ingredients from suppliers to uphold your product standards. For packaging, select food-grade containers that are durable and suitable for safe storage and transport. Clearly label your products with all ingredients and any relevant nutritional facts. It is critical to maintain proper refrigeration, keeping the salad at 4 degrees Celsius or below throughout storage and delivery. Finally, plan efficient delivery routes to ensure your delicious macaroni salad reaches customers fresh and on time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.